I am Paula Snow with eXp Realty, and welcome to Adams Homes 2557 square foot home. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, has an office, has a spacious front porch and a spacious back porch. Let's go check it out. Coming into the home, to one side will be the formal dining room space, and then on the other side is what could be either a formal living room or could be used as a home office. Huge, big, open living room area. This space over here would serve as a breakfast nook. And then check out this beautiful, bright, open kitchen. This one has quartz counters. Look how nice and roomy this is. If you're entertaining, and you're standing over here, you could see and talk to all of your friends and family, or if kids are doing homework at the breakfast table. Everything's very nice and open. Fridge space would be here. And then pantry, laundry and garage right across from the kitchen. And the master is on the other side of the house, so let's go check that out first. So nice big roomy master. And Adams does carpet only in the bedrooms. Everything else will be some sort of hard surface flooring. If you didn't want to have carpet in the bedrooms, then, and the house had not been built yet, then you could possibly pay an upgraded fee to get some sort of hard surface flooring in your bedrooms. Okay, in the main bathroom, 2 vanities and linen closet. This bathroom has 2 walk-in closets, so water closet there, one of the walk-in closets here, soaking tub, shower, and the other walk-in closet there. Split floor plan with all of the bedrooms other than the master on the other side of the house. Oh, and before I go any further, coat closet right by the laundry room. One of the bedrooms here. Other bedroom. Bathroom, and 4th bedroom. Let's go check out the backyard. As you can see, they're still building in this neighborhood. So look at this beautiful, spacious, covered back porch. This is really huge. Some people will leave it open, and I've seen other people actually screen it in to avoid bugs in the summer months. If you have questions about this home or any other new construction home, feel free to call, text, email us anytime. I will put all of our contact info down below.